over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the PhilsGang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to PhilsGang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
Money's coming to me.
And by the way, this wealthy New Yorker actually earned his money. It wasn't a gift from Daddy. And I grew up in a poorer part of Queens than he did, but I am a banker. I am part of the elite. I don't think the American public looks at Trump as part of the elite. They look at him as the upstart who punched the elites in the nose every day. Because I'm as tough as he is, I'm smarter than he is, I would be fine. He could punch me all he wants, and it wouldn't work with me. I'd fight right back.
That's Jamie Dimon, yeah, a real hero. Remember, Jamie Dimon should be in jail. Jamie Dimon is why we're having such a tough time recovering. Why we've never had a recovery. Everybody calls this a recovery, but it isn't. Because once again, to have recovery, you have to show that when this mess started, and now that we are saying everything's great, that we've gotten past peak employment. We got past peak output. In other words, when the recession hit, to prove that we're out of the recession, you have to have a higher peak of employment than you had before the recession. Higher peak of output before you had the recession. We don't have that. But put that aside. Jamie Dimon, are you kidding? This guy is a criminal. Trump's not a criminal. He's a criminal. If you recall, it was Jamie Dimon who took all the subprime loans, put them together in a basket. Then he had Warren Buffett, another crook, stamp on it that they were AAA rated loans. And then Jamie Dimon sells those loans to all the pensions around the country. And they collapsed. All those loans, they're no good. Anybody else would be in jail. He didn't go to jail because he's a Democrat and he's a big supporter of Obama. So he never went to jail. He's a criminal. If you and I did that, then worse what he did, he went to all the other banks and mortgage companies, said, look, give me all your garbage. Give me everything that's failing, all the subprime loans. And he'd take them, he'd bundle them. He'd take like 1,000 good loans and throw them in with 100,000 bad loans, mix them all up, stamp them, AAA, that came from his pal Buffett, and then sell them. And that's why this economy has not recovered. That's one of the reasons we haven't recovered. Remember, people lost $8 million in equity out of their homes. They haven't got that $8 million back. The only reason why you see home prices going up is because what Obama did. When Obama took all the foreclosed homes and he took them from the banks and gave them to all his buddies, all the hedge funds on Wall Street, and he said, I'll sell these houses to you at 10 cents, 15 cents on the dollar so you can rent them. All that inventory came off the market. The few homes were left skyrocketed because all these homes are off the market and he's renting them. Jamie Dimon, I could go on all afternoon, all the criminal activity that he was involved with. That just makes me sick. Makes me sick. Yeah, we're going to trust him, all right. Okay, so what's going on? The market continues to struggle. Remember, since we had that 11% correction in February, it's taken 122 days where we're in this recovery mode, which normally you're only in a recovery mode 40 days. Matter of fact, 122 is a record. There's only one other time that it took this long, and that was in 1965. And the market, they're doing everything they can to try to keep this market pumped up and keep propping it up and keep pushing it up. So today, what did they do? They turned around today and they came out with a story that inflation has gone down. Yeah, inflation's gone down. In other words, the prices that you pay on goods and services, they dropped. So that means now there's not as much inflation. So that means, maybe they won't raise rates now. It's all a bunch of nonsense. So the market's going up. They're doing everything they can. They're financially engineering the market every day to try to push it up going into the election. Now, every president does that. I was thinking, you really want to help people? It's all about wages, about savings. If everything was so fantastic and we are being told, and look, I'm not saying things aren't good, things aren't better. Hey, I support Trump. But I'm not going to let him get away with stuff. If he's saying stuff that's not true, I'm going to tell you. But we're not doing that great. The people who are doing great are the top 20 percentile. They're doing of this nation. They're doing terrific. They got all the benefits. He didn't design it that way. The people around him did. But here's what's interesting. If you really want to fix the economy and help people, we got to fix retirement. I talk about this all the time, and we got to fix 401k plans. They got to go. 401. You're not going to have a strong economy, and you're not going to hit a 4% or 5% GDP until you get rid of the 401k, which is a sham. The 401k is killing our economy. 20% of the $12 trillion in 401ks are, think about it, we got $12 trillion in 401ks. That's how much money is in a 401k. 20% of the working population control the $12 trillion. 20%. And who are they? They're the CEOs. They're the rich guys, the fat cats. They're the guys who make all the money in the 401ks. If things were so great and these 401ks are working, why is it 65% of Americans will retire broke? Why is it more than half, nearly 60% of Americans have just $1,000 or less in their savings for retirement? Let me repeat that. If things were so fantastic as they tell us every day,
the U.S. economy is in great shape.
If we were in such great shape, does it make sense? Number one, let's think about your 401k. The only people who are benefiting in the 401ks is the top 20 percentile of the population. They're controlling the $12 trillion. They're getting all the benefits of 401k. If we're doing so great, why is it that 65% of Americans will retire broke? Why is it that more than half, 60% of Americans have just $1,000 set aside for savings? Here's the answer. It was never 401k. Were never designed to work for the American household, the average American household. It just wasn't designed as a retirement plan. See, pensions were. Pensions were designed as a pure retirement product, a guarantee to the American worker, you're going to retire, and when you retire, you're going to live the same lifestyle that you came accustomed to while you were working. Pensions what grew this country. It was pensions that we got this great productivity, this great country, the production, the growth. It was because what happened was with pensions, there was and I always say this, when you had pensions, you had a tremendous working relationship between labor and management. When you gave somebody a pension and you guaranteed him he's going to have a wonderful retirement, it gave him the incentive to produce the best quality products he could for the company. But it also gave the company a tremendous incentive to provide him with the best retirement possible by hiring the best pension manager to make sure you get these big returns Talk more about that and stocks when we get back, especially Caterpillar.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
I will make sure that all the stocks that we are engaged in that are going up, we will get maximum returns, and we will be out of those stocks by watching our color-coded chart. You never again will have to worry about being out of an individual stock or an ETF or an index when the market crashes. You will be out before it does happen. All you got to do is join my gang, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. I'm reaching out to you. All I'm asking you to do is to reach back to the kids at St. Jude when you're making money.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grant at philsgang.com. You know, we raise money every day for St. Jude, and we need your help. And I will reach out to you and help you learn how to invest in stocks. It's a whole new game out there. No more is there investing in stocks based on fundamentals. Those days are gone, totally gone. So look, join my gang, philsgang.com. I'll help you, and then you help St. Jude. Learn how to use a chart.
Sign up today. Simply go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com, or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
St. Jude exceeds any expectation or any dream I could have ever had about a hospital. I was told we wouldn't get a bill. I didn't quite process that. How's this possible? It's possible through all the wonderful people who donate. I don't know if they are aware of what they do, but they're saving children's lives every day.
St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Finding cures. Saving children. Learn more at stjude.org.
Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, You have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
This economic boom has legs. It will last. It's not a sugar high, as critics suggest.
It's unbelievable. It's the same thing they said with all the bubbles. This is a bubble. How can they say that? Bubbles don't last. They never do. Because bubbles are created. Bubbles are a propping up of a market. We had the dot-com bubble. We had the housing financial bubble. And this is the QE bubble. We've never had such massive printing of money to prop up this stock market. We've never had so many stock buybacks to prop up this market. And he can come out and tell you, oh, this is not a bubble? Really? It's the biggest bubble ever. A stock market doesn't go up 270% because of earnings. This market went up because of cheap money. For almost, 7 years, CEOs were able to borrow money at near zero. Hedge funds could borrow money to near 0%. Big banks, big institutions. You got your banks, you got your hedge funds, you got your insurance companies, all buying money at near zero and speculating with it in the stock market, pushing the market up. Most of that money was to buy their stocks back. And when you buy your own stock back and you have less shares, and when your earnings come out and you spread your earnings over fewer shares, your earnings increase. And when those earnings increase, your stock price increases. And that's what happens. They've been doing this for almost 10 years. We haven't paid for it yet. This bubble will break, because at some point, every bubble, you turn from inflating these prices to where these prices start deflating. When prices start deflating, you start getting layoffs, and your economy collapsed. It's just another bubble. But you can make and create wealth in these bubbles, especially on the way down. And you should never be worried about buying stock in a bubble, because if you know when to get out, when you see the signs to get out. Many people have stayed away from the stock market, and they've missed the best market in history. Even though it's fake, even Trump said it was a fake market. Does everybody forget what Trump says about this market?
The only thing that looks good is the stock market, but if you raise interest rates even a little bit, that's going to come crashing down. We are in a big, fat, ugly bubble.
That's right. Has that changed since he became president? I don't think so. It's just how long you can keep the bubble going and everybody become even wealthier. Now, when I say everybody, we're not talking about the Main Street combined income household, $54,000, two people working. They're not enjoying any of the stock market because they're 401ks. And we're going to get more into these 401ks, but first I want to get back to some of the stocks that we're working on. And I told you to join my gang yesterday, and I told you on Monday, Caterpillar. I hope you joined, because Caterpillar is one of the stocks we're working on. And Caterpillar, remember, is a discounted stock. That stock dropped from $173 all the way down to $129. That's a huge discount. I think that's probably about maybe about a 24% discount. 24% discount. A Caterpillar? When can you buy Caterpillar when it's when it's 24, 25% discount? Very seldom. Now you're going to say, well, I'm afraid to get into it because, Phil, you keep saying it's going to be a stock market crash. Well, of course. There's always every bubble has a crash. But if you're with me, you're going to be out before the crash. If you're an individual stock, you're going to be out before that stock crashes. Didn't I prove that the other day last week with dollar, DLTR, the symbol? We had a DLTR. We had a beautiful buy signal. Took us a while to get it. It was at $80. Dollar Tree dropped about 25%. And then it took time. When it went down to about $80, we didn't get a buy signal until it got to about $86. Then at $86, we got the buy signal. It turned green, and it's telling us the institutions have put enough money in, we now can buy it. And then we put in our stop to make sure when we bought Dollar Tree, the most we could lose is 2 to 3%. It's like an insurance policy. The stock went up about, I think it went, well, I'll give it to you again. It went up about $85 to around $96. I think that's probably about maybe 8%, 7%, something like that. 13%. 13%. Then we see it turn red. It started to turn red. That told us to get out. And the minute we got out, it dropped all the way back down to where it started. But the key was not getting in. Any dope can buy a stock. The key is, how do I know when to get out? That's the key with every stock. When do I get out of a stock? That's why the retail customer, 80% of people in the stock market, retail customers, lose money because they don't know when to get out. And of course, they're listening to money managers, and they got money in 401ks. Of course, they're going to lose money. But we knew when to get out of Dollar Tree. Now we started with Caterpillar. And I'm begging you to join the gang, 877-600-GANG, and why don't you start with me with Caterpillar? Now, I can't guarantee you're going to get a 13% return on Caterpillar, but it looks just as good as Dollar Tree. We also did Starbucks, by the way. I said, why don't you join my gang and follow me with Starbucks? All you do, I put it on a video each day, 3 times. I upgrade it 3 times during the day, Starbucks. And if you don't want to look at the video, they're only about a minute and a half. I put them out 3 times. At the same time, I'll tell you what to do. I'll send you an alert. So if you don't even want to look at the video, I send you the alert when to buy, and I send you an alert when to get out. You're paying $39.95. So Starbucks, we started out with Starbucks. Started to turn green at around $51. And right now, or it went up to about $55. It's almost near there now. That's about what? Maybe about 7%, 8%, 7%. But it hasn't turned red yet. We'll be back right after this break, 28 past the hour, 877-600-GANG. Join my gang. Follow me.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
If you're behind, and you know you're behind in your savings, you know you're behind from retirement, you haven't got enough retirement money, you're getting worried, and nobody helped you today. Did anybody help you today? Were you able to go to your mobile device today and say, what should I do with my stock? Did anybody do a video for you today? Did your planner, did your money manager, did the guy that's running your 401k, did he do a video for you today 3 times during the day, tell you exactly what to do with the stocks we're in? No. Now, when you join the gang, you can decide what you want to participate in. You can have the full schooling where you come to our class on a daily basis. That's done over the internet, of course. Or if you're a person that says, I just want you to make money for me because I don't have time to learn, and I have a program for that. And that's called my video stock program. So when the market goes up, you're going to make money. When the market goes down, you're going to make money.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
I will make sure that all the stocks that we are engaged in that are going up, we will get maximum returns, and we will be out of those stocks by watching our color-coded chart. You never again will have to worry about being out of an individual stock or an ETF or an index when the market crashes. You will be out before it does happen. All you got to do is join my gang, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. I'm reaching out to you. All I'm asking you to do is to reach back to the kids at St. Jude when you're making money.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from. All that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, people make it too complicated. Wall Street tells you the market cap and the trailing PE and the forward PE and price to sales to confuse you. All you need to know is, does the stock have volume? What's that mean? Energy. What does that mean? If you have people buying a stock, enough of the stock's being bought, it influences the prices to go up. Join my gang, philsgang.com. We're using charting, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Join my gang, 877-600-GANG, if you want to be part of the video group, or you can be part of the whole educational program. The video group is designed for people who are just working people, very busy, don't have time, don't want to learn anything because they don't have time. And some people who have all the time in the world, but they don't want to learn. They just want to make money. So I pick out these stocks and then give you the alert to buy them. And then we coach you all the way through it. We do 3 videos for each stock during the day. So you just follow it. So we always have active 2 or 3 stocks. And you follow those videos. Takes you a minute, minute and a half. If you don't want to follow the videos, don't. Just wait for my alert to get out. But give you an example. Dollar Tree fell 31%. We look for stocks with deep discounts. 31%. Then when we got the buy signal, from the buy signal to the sell signal was 11%. Starbucks dropped 24%. We're still active. It's already up 7% from where it turned green. That's terrific. Now we got two great stocks that we're looking at. Gold mining stocks, GDX. It dropped 30%. We're just starting to buy them. And these mining stocks are going to take off because everybody is going to be looking to get shelter. And they're going to run to the mining stocks. Everybody's going to run to gold. When this economy starts getting so soft, they're all going to run to gold. But the key is it doesn't matter for us what they're saying out there, whether the economy's good or the economy's bad, because we make money either way. Budweiser, we were making money on the way up. On Budweiser, we made about 8%. Then all of a sudden, we got these sell signals coming in. The institutions were pulling their money out. So instead of just getting out, we said, let's switch our position. Let's short it. And that's what the gang did. And it went down about 13%. So we got profits on the way up, profits on the way down. So just try it for a month. As I say, just a couple stocks a month. You follow me with video 3 times a day. We update them. Only a minute and a half each video. Easy to do. And then finally you'll say, you know what? This works. This works. Because all you got to have is someone to get you out in time. That's it. The pensions don't work. They're gone. The 401k, they never were designed to work anyways. A 401k was never designed as a retirement product. Never. Pensions were. But that went away. Pensions went away when they started to globalize. When globalization came in and China was manufacturing goods and Japan, and we couldn't compete, companies had no choice. The biggest business expense is labor. And then the other biggest business expense out of labor is the pensions, benefits. Because remember, when you had a pension, you were a CEO of a company, you had to go and get the best talent. You had to make sure that pension was making money all the time. Not like 401ks. 401ks, there's no talent in managing a 401k. They're salary people. When they were managing pensions for your company, they were all pensions. These were the top people. And they were making a lot of money, a pension manager. And he got compensated on productivity. He got compensated when that thing made money. That's when he got paid. Today, 401ks, there's no incentive program. The guy gets a salary. He doesn't care if it goes up or down. So when globalization came, the pensions had to go. So what were they going to do? CEOs had no choice. They had to get rid of these pensions. Too expensive. Too expensive. And they did away with them. So what did they have to do? They had to come up with an idea. Remember, when the pensions were involved, there was also the CEOs, let's say 10% of the population, labor, are CEOs, management. 10% had what they called a 401k, which was also part of the pension. They had their pension, but they also had a 401k. What was a 401k? The 401k, when the CEOs were making a lot of money, they wanted to shelter their bonuses. That's what they wanted to show. They said, I'm getting killed with my bonuses. I keep paying taxes on these bonuses. How am I going to shelter the bonuses? So they came up with an idea. They said, we'll go to Congress and we will get a law passed, and we'll pass that law so you can shelter your options and you can shelter your benefits. That way you can defer your profits. Oh, they're excited. So not only did they have pensions, they had this 401k. Now the 401k was not part of a pension. It wasn't 401k was never designed as a pension or retirement plan. It was a tax shelter for CEOs, for the very wealthy, for the top 10% of the labor force. Shelter their options. What a beautiful thing. Shelter my benefits. And they shelter their perks. If they got a golf course membership that was worth $10,000 or $20,000, that's profit, right? That's income. Well, that got sheltered too. That's what it was designed for. So when the pensions broke down, the CEOs said, what are we going to do? So the employers and then the mutual fund industry got together. They said, wait a minute. Why can't we do this? Let's take the 401k that we use for our CEOs. Why don't we take a mutual fund product and stick it inside this 401k? Nobody will know the difference, and we'll call it a 401k mutual fund retirement plan. They duped everybody. There's no such thing as a 401k retirement plan. It's a tax shelter. It wouldn't work. They knew it wouldn't work. But here's what they knew. They knew, the employer and the mutual fund industry getting together knew they could set up one of the biggest skimming operations in the country and make a fortune. That's what they did. So they took this 401k tax code, stuck in a mutual fund, and it's not a retirement plan. It's not a retirement plan today. It was designed as a skimming operation for the employer and the mutual fund industry. Because what they were able to do is they were able to, again, pick the worst mutual fund. The worst. So they would, let's do it this way. They would predetermine what underperforming mutual fund they would select for you, the employee. So when you came in, you got a list. But it was already predetermined what was going to be on that list. And they're all going to be underperforming mutual funds that they make a fortune on, the mutual fund industry and your employer. So you don't know the difference. So they give you the menu, you pick one. So you're picking one that's a lousy performer, which they make a fortune on. So that underperforming mutual fund stuck in the 401k law was called the 401k retirement plan. It never enriched the employee. It was never designed to enrich the employee. It was always designed to enrich the mutual fund industry and the employer. Now the 401k is the biggest skimming operation in the country. But they had to mask it. It was important to mask it. So how would they mask it? Well, they made sure there would be no standardized 401k mutual fund investment education program offered to employees. No, ask your company. Does your company have a 401k mutual fund investment education program? No, because they want to mask that. And they mask a whole bunch of other things. They want to mask the skimming, of course. And I'll tell you what else they mask in your 401k. And you think you're going to retire with a 401k? If you are going to retire with 401k, then why is it 65% of the people can't retire in this country? We'll be right back. Join my gang, 877-600-GANG. Follow me with Caterpillar.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Are you ready to get serious about your financial future? You know, reduce your debt, pay off those student loans, and prepare for retirement. Taking control of your finances can be intimidating, but with philsgang.com, you will be educated and guided to make smart investment decisions in the stock market. If the market is up or down, philsgang.com is the only source where you'll learn how to trade stocks and how to invest in the stock market using professional-level skills and strategies. For more information, go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. Phil'sGang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With Phil'sGang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to Phil'sGang.com. Phil'sGang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264.
Thousands of investors trust Phil'sGang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil'sGang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil'sGang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil'sGang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
St. Jude exceeds any expectation or any dream I could have ever had about a hospital. I was told we wouldn't get a bill. I didn't quite process that. How's this possible? It's possible through all the wonderful people who donate. I don't know if they are aware of what they do, but they're saving children's lives every day.
St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Finding cures, saving children. Learn more at stjude.org.
Phil'sGang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. Phil'sGang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil'sGang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
At philsgang.com, we teach you how to secure your financial stability. With a Phil's Gang membership, you will learn and understand how to invest in the stock market and how to keep those profits. Avoid the financial pain of 2008. Don't be exposed to losing your retirement nest egg. Take control and secure your investments with philsgang.com. Don't hesitate. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil's Gang. For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang, 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call. Why don't you join the gang? Why don't you follow me? You missed, as I said, Starbucks, and you missed Dollar Tree. Those did beautifully. One was up 11%. One was up 7%. We're still in Starbucks. It's up 7%. Keep going. But we've got some great stocks. We got a gold stock, GDX, mining stock, that's already down 30%. That's great. We already have Caterpillar. It's dropped 24%. We got a beautiful, another gold stock's down 41%. Now, how can you go wrong? If a stock like AU is down 41, another gold stock down 30, Caterpillar's down 24, the selling is coming out of those stocks. When we buy those stocks, we'll make sure that we put in a stop, an insurance policy. They can't, if they go 2 to 3% any lower, we are out. So we have our protection in. So join the gang. Follow me this month on those stocks. Now, I can't guarantee you're going to make the same money that we made on Dollar Tree, 11%, or Starbucks, 7%. As a matter of fact, you want to see some of the stocks where we made as much as one stock, we made more than 120%. If you want to see what stocks, our returns, go to philsgang.com. Go to our where it says Phil's Toolbox. And just it scrolls down, it says MV2 returns. So just go to philsgang.com. And just see up on the box, it'll say Phil's Toolbox, and there it is. So join the gang. Look, the reason that they may lose this house, I told you what was going to happen. I predicted this over a month ago, and the numbers are showing they're going to lose the house. Because the problem is, the people who are enjoying the fruits of this stock market is not the household where two people are working, bringing in $58,000 a year. They're scrambling. In fact, what banks are doing is sending them out every day cards that are already approved. They just got to sign them and start spending. There's so much in debt. It's incredible. I mean, think about this economy. The way they're propping up, so you got 20% of the people doing fantastic because they're the ones in the stock market. They're doing fantastic. The people in 401ks, you're not in the stock market. You're in a scam. You're in a scam. So 20% of the people are doing well. Those are all the top CEOs, the bankers, all the top guys. They're doing fantastic. But not everybody else. The average household isn't. They're seeing no bump in their pay. And when there is, inflation eats it up. And they're independents. See, unfortunately, most of these people are independents going to show up at the polls. And they're upset that the Obamacare has not been repealed. They're upset that President Trump hasn't repealed limiting overtime pay. Yeah, people are angry. They can't get overtime. That was Obama's deal. He hasn't repealed that or Obamacare. They're upset it's making it harder for them to join a union. There's a lot of things they're upset about. But the most is people vote their wallet. They're not feeling it. So if you're in your 401k, I'm telling you, how can they tell us the economy's fantastic? It makes no sense. When you got more than half, 60% of the Americans have just $1,000 or less in savings. These are people in 401ks. They're not making money in 401ks. And if you make money in 401ks, let's say you have $1 million and you're ready to retire. What they mask is this. You're going to walk out with $350,000 less than if you had a S&P, if you had a SPDR. If you join my gang and we follow the SPDR, I have a lot of investors, instead of being 401ks, they're in the SPDRs. Because fees are almost nothing. Remember, it's always fees. It's the fees that kill everything. Especially the 401ks. Kills. Fees are a killer. Fees can't be understated. Example, again, on an average 401k, fees are 8 times more expensive than an ETF SPDR. Why would you do a 401k? Just simply buy a SPDR. And just follow me as I manage the SPDRs every day. My gang members who are in the SPDRs, they know exactly when to get in, when to get out, when to add to their position. Why would you be in a 401k? It doesn't make any sense. So the average 401k versus an ETF SPDR, when you retire, you're going to take an extra $350,000 out of your pocket. So if you made $1 million with the SPDRs and $1 million with a 401k, guess what? You got to pay $350,000 more in fees on your 401k than you do the SPDRs. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? This is nuts. So what have they done? They have masked what is wrong with the 401k. Because when they duped everybody and said, let's just take this 401k tax plan and stick in it a mutual fund, and what we'll do is predetermine what underperforming mutual fund that they will select the new employee, we make a fortune on that between the employer and the mutual fund industry, and the employer gets screwed. They masked the fact that it wasn't designed as an investment program. That's why there's no standardized 401k mutual fund investment education program to be found. You can't find it. You think companies would give you one, but they're not going to do that, because you know what else they're masking? Because the 401k is the only product Americans buy and don't know the price of it. They don't know the quality of it. They don't know the danger of it. They don't know the cost of the fees. They don't even know there's 28 hidden fees. They mask the fact that it was never designed as a retirement product. Rather, as a tax shelter for the 10% of the Americans' workers, who is the upper CEOs, the management, to defer compensation, such as bonuses, stock options, and that was, remember, designed to go along with their pension. And when the pensions are all gone, they duped everybody into thinking, hey, let's stick a mutual fund in this, will tell everybody it's replacing the pension. They mask the fact, they really do, they mask the fact that the 401k not only has not been designed as a retirement product, it doesn't work. It just doesn't work. If it did, would so many people not be in a shape to be in a position to retire? If it worked, wouldn't more people want to be ready to retire? They're not. It's terrible. Now, what are they playing? Oh, now we got the socialists, the Democrats, socialists. They're going to take care of all this. Like Elizabeth Mohegan Warren, Pocahontas. Her point is, well, why don't we do this? Let's just let the government pay everybody a retirement. Let the government take care of everybody. The government will put together a program. She's calling it the new USA Retirement Fund System. And that folks who do make money, they're going to raise the taxes. And they're going to take a portion of all these taxes from the people who do produce, who do work, who make a difference. They're going to punish them and take their money and put it in this U.S. retirement fund. And this way, everybody gets to retire. So they're going to cut the incentive of the workers, the entrepreneur. You think the entrepreneurs, the workers, the people who work, who produce, you think they're going to put up with that? That's ridiculous. Just like Obama, when he did his Obamacare. What did he do? Oh, he said, I'm going to make sure that 20 million people who don't have health insurance are going to get it free. Oh, yeah, at the expense of 272 million people already had it. And the way he paid for the 20 million people to get almost free health insurance is by having the 272 million people who already had insurance make them subsidize it. How did he do that? He took and made sure that he doubled and quadrupled their deductible to make sure by doing that he could keep the prices down. So that's what we're going to get. We're going to get another socialist program. Why don't you do this? Join my gang, and why don't you follow me with Caterpillar for the next month? 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call, and you can sleep at night because you'll be out before the stock or the market breaks.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
I will make sure that all the stocks that we are engaged in that are going up, we will get maximum returns, and we will be out of those stocks